Have you ever left the house in a heavy winter coat in the middle of July? Of course not. Well, that's what your engine feels like when the thermostat isn't doing its job. It either overheats under the weight of that coat or never gets warm enough to run right if it's cold. Neither situation ends well for your customers. Let's talk about how a failed thermostat can cause drivability problems and when you should service it. When a cooling system loses integrity, be that from a leak, bad water pump, or an overheated engine, one of the most overlooked parts is the thermostat. Inside is a mix of brass and beeswax working against the spring. When the engine gets to the right temperature, the wax melts, pushes the spring, and opens the thermostat to let coolant flow. But if the system overheats, that wax can degrade and the springs can weaken. If the thermostat is stuck closed, the engine will overheat again. If it's stuck open, the engine won't reach operating temperature, hurting emissions, fuel economy, and overall drivability. These hidden failures can cause comebacks, which you obviously want to avoid. If you're repairing a cooling system that's been drained, overheated, or opened up for work like a timing belt or water pump replacement, recommending a new thermostat is good insurance for your shop. It protects the job you just did and keeps the customer's vehicle running at the right temperature. During repairs like this, recommending a small, inexpensive part like a thermostat that prevents future breakdowns shows you're looking out for their vehicle's long-term health, not just the current repair. That kind of attention to detail builds loyalty and keeps drivability complaints from coming back through your doors. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.